Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear keyboard cache on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general management. Then scroll down general management and then click on Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down Samsung keyboard settings and click on reset to default settings. Now click on clear cache, then click on clear, and then you are good. So this is going to clear your cache, or you can just follow this direction by going to settings, apps, Samsung keyboard, and then storage and tap clear cache. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Just go to the main page. On the main page, click on apps, and then hang on for the apps page to load. Once it loads, scroll down to Samsung keyboard. So just need to scroll down to Samsung keyboard, click on it. Once you click on that, locate and click on storage. So once you click on storage, then locate cache, then you should see a button to clear the cache at the bottom right. Click on that, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to clear keyboard cache on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.